Hey y'all, it's Astronomy Ari8393 here, and I'm going to do a video tutorial on how to draw a mouse. So, at first, you want to start with the ear, and then we're going to do this. Sorry, I'm not the best at explaining this, because I'm trying to record and draw at the same time. So, you see how it already is starting to look like a mouse? Flat bottom, little eye. Then we're gonna do this, and as you see, it already is looking like a mouse, but it's not a mouse without a tail. So we're gonna add the little tail. I don't know, maybe add some like little lines. Yeah, that's good. So color it any way you like. I'm gonna do a little transition here. See, I colored it. And, oh, sorry. Now I'm gonna add a little something. Hold on, I'm gonna pause real quick and open my marker. And I'm gonna draw like a little cheese, a little piece of cheese. Mice don't actually eat cheese. So seeing a mice eating cheese is kind of impossible. They rather go for sweeter stuff. So I'm gonna do a little transition with the cheese. And voila! So that's how you create a mouse and a little piece of cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye!